Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best doorbell cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Bitepass 1080p video doorbell camera. If you're looking for the most affordable option on this list, this is the one for you. Priced at just $16.99, it offers a surprising number of features, including AI-driven human detection, two-way audio communication, and full HD live view. The included chime unit adds extra convenience, allowing you to place it anywhere in your home for instant alerts. The design is modest and functional, with a sleek gray finish that blends seamlessly into most home exteriors. It's lightweight and wire-free, making installation quick and hassle-free. While its night vision is solid, it does rely on 4 basic infrared lights, which are effective but not as advanced as higher-tier models. In terms of performance, the camera delivers decent clarity with its 1080p resolution. However, its features are best suited for budget-conscious buyers who need basic security functionality without frills. The lack of advanced smart features, like package detection or ultra-wide coverage, limits its appeal for users seeking premium performance. Overall, the Bitepass is ideal for first-time buyers or renters looking for an easy-to-install, low-cost security solution. Coming in at number 4 is the Gugri 1080p video doorbell camera, priced at $20.65. This model steps up the game with AI-powered human detection and optional AES-128 encrypted cloud storage for added security. The included indoor chime makes it easy to hear alerts no matter where you are in your home, and its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi compatibility ensures a stable connection. In terms of design, the Gugri doorbell camera features a simple, compact build that works well for both indoor and outdoor use. The IR night vision is reliable, delivering clear images even in low-light conditions. However, it lacks the ultra-wide vertical coverage seen in higher-end models, which might be a drawback for users who want greater visibility of their doorstep. The performance is solid for the price, with responsive motion detection and decent video quality. Its user-friendly app interface makes it easy to stay connected, but the cloud storage subscription, sold separately, adds to the overall cost if you want to store recordings. Overall, the Gugri is a great mid-range option for those seeking reliable features without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Boom Chill 1080p wireless video doorbell camera, priced at $23.99. This model stands out for its ultra-wide lens, which provides excellent coverage of your doorstep. Combined with AI-powered motion detection, it ensures that you only receive alerts when human activity is detected, eliminating unnecessary notifications from cars or pets. The design is sleek and modern, with a black finish that complements most home exteriors. It's built to be durable and water-resistant, making it suitable for outdoor use in various weather conditions. The two-way talk feature is crisp and clear, allowing you to communicate with visitors from anywhere via your smartphone. Performance-wise, the Boom Chill delivers smooth 1080p video quality and reliable night vision. Its cloud storage option ensures safe footage storage, though it's sold separately. The included chime is a nice touch, allowing you to place it wherever it's most convenient. However, the product does require a bit of setup, and the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi limitation might be inconvenient for users with dual-band networks. Overall, it's a well-rounded option for those seeking a balance between affordability and functionality. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Grid Terra Smart Video Doorbell Camera, priced at $27.99. This premium model offers advanced AI human detection, ensuring that only relevant alerts are sent to your device. Its superior night vision capabilities provide crystal-clear video even in pitch darkness, making it ideal for round-the-clock security. The design is well-crafted, featuring a compact and durable build with a stylish brown finish. It's battery-powered and wire-free, making installation straightforward. The included chime adds convenience, and the option to share camera access with family members enhances collaborative safety. In terms of performance, this camera delivers smooth 720p video quality with reliable motion detection. While it doesn't offer 1080p resolution like some other models, its advanced features, such as encrypted cloud storage and collaborative access, make it a great choice for users who prioritize smart functionality over resolution. The only downside is the additional cost for cloud storage and the lack of 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. Overall, the Grid Terra is ideal for users who want a versatile and intelligent doorbell camera. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Ring Battery Doorbell 2024 release. While the price isn't disclosed, this model offers unmatched features that put it ahead of the competition. Its head-to-toe video provides 66% more vertical coverage than standard doorbell cameras, ensuring you can see everything from packages on the ground to visitors at your door. Integration with Alexa adds hands-free convenience, allowing custom notifications and seamless smart home monitoring. The design is premium, with a Venetian bronze finish that exudes elegance while maintaining durability. The built-in battery charges via USB-C, making recharging simple and efficient. Installation is a breeze, and the Ring app provides a user-friendly interface for managing alerts and live views. Performance-wise, the Ring Battery Doorbell is exceptional, with precise motion detection and alerts that can differentiate between people and packages with a subscription. While features like 24/7 recording and package detection require a Ring Home subscription, the overall functionality is worth the investment for those seeking top-tier security. If you're looking for cutting-edge technology and seamless integration with smart home devices, the Ring Battery Doorbell is the clear choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.